येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्च ज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Okay, up to the last classes we discussed about the sutras of Achandi Prakaranam. There are some more sutras where which deals with Achandi cases only, but there there will be Prakruti Bhava. It means there will not be change even though there are conditions satisfied for some Achandi to happen. For example, there will be some cases where Akasavarna Dirghaha can be applied or Adgunaha can be applied. Still, by blocking those, there will be Prakruti Bhava. Prakruti Bhava means the words or the letters they retain their original forms. So these are the sutras starting from we studied up to Ashicha in the previous section. Then the starting from the sutra Prakriti Antapadam Avyapare. We have the sutras of Prakriti Bhava. That Prakrutya starts from the sutra Prakrutyantapadam Avyapare. So it goes till the sutra E Chakravarmanasya. This is 61130. Up to that sutra, all the sutras from Prakrutyantah Padam Avyapare 115 to 115 to 130. Total 16 sutras are there in this Prakarana. This Prakarana is called as Achsandau Prakruti Bhavaha. Okay, in this section, we have this sutra, Pluta Pragruhya Achinityam. This is very important sutra. So we are going to study this sutra today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow also. It means we take this sutra in three sessions. Pluta Pragruhya Achi Nityam 61125. We shall take other sutras after we complete this sutra. This is the most important sutra in this section. Pluta Pragruhya Achi Nityam. Pluta Pragruhyaha is in Pratama Bahuvachanam. Achi Saptami Ekavachanam. Nityam Pratama. The Anurutti of Prakrutya comes from the previous sutra. This is 125. The previous sutra which starts from Prakrutya Antapadam Avyapare. This is the first sutra in this Prakarana. This Prakrutya word goes to every sutra in this section. This is not Adhikara Sutra, but the Anurtya Prakrutya is there for every sutra. We are having this Pluta Pragruhya Achinityam here 125. So we have the Anurtya of Prakrutya, which is in Tritiya Ekavachana. So Anvaya of the Sutra, Pluta Pragruhyaha Achi Nityam Prakrutya. So the meaning of the sutra is Pluta, if a Pluta letter is followed by any H letter or a Pragruhya is followed by any H letter, then there will be Prakruti Bhava. It means there will not be any change. They remain as it is without undergoing any change. So for this, we have to know what is Pluta and what is Pragruhya. So let us consider the Pluta aspect. Before knowing what is Pluta and what is Pragruhya, we shall take some examples in this class. E is a Pluta Akshara. It is followed by A, which is a H letter. So here it is Pluta and it is H letter. Whenever a Pluta letter is followed by any H letter, then there will not be any Sandhi. There will not be any change they remain as it is. Similarly, E plus E, whether it is Savarna, Rasavarna, there will not be any Sandhi. E U is equal to U or E Ru. There can be any H letter, O or O. Similarly, it need not be E, it can be any Pluta letter here, whether it is U, Ru, or Lu, or A. Every H has its Pluta version, so it can be any Pluta of any H letter. So any combination is applicable. So if you take the example of Ehi Krishna Atra Goscharati, here this Krishna ends with Pluta Akara, which is followed by Akara, Rasva Akara. So by Pluta Pragruhya Achi Nityam, there will not be any Sandhi. Here there is scope for Akasavarana Dirgaha, but by this Pluta Pragruhya Achi Nityam blocks all the sutras of Sandhi Prakaranam wherever necessary, whether if there is some Pluta letter here and if it is followed by any H letter, any sutra may be there, may be applicable there, whether it is Akasavana Vigraha or Adgunaha, whatever may be the sutra, it blocks every sutras of that Prakarana and there will be Prakruti Bhava. Here the Pluta is followed by Rasvaha, so by Pluta Pragruhya Chinityam, there will be Prakruti Bhavaha. But if H letter is followed by Pluta, then this sutra is not applicable. So there should be Pluta letter which is followed by H letter. So if H letter comes first and if it is followed by a Pluta letter, then there will be appropriate sutra from H Sandhi Prakarana can be applied here. So Au plus Pluta E, here Au is an H letter, it is followed by an H letter. It is an H letter. By H we mean all this for us. Since by Anudit Savarnasya cha Pratyayaha, H letters, for example, E represents all its Savarna. So Pluta E is a Savarna of Rasva E. So here it can be Pluta E also. Even in this case, there will be application of Echo Yava Yavaha. So O becomes Av. In this case, A plus E. Here, this sutra is not applicable. Pluta Pragruhi Achi Nityam is not applicable because Pluta is not followed by Achi, Ach letter. So A plus E is a case of Ad Gunaha. So A plus E becomes A. Similarly, O plus E Pluta, there will be Okaraha by Ad Gunaha. Similarly, O plus Pluta E, then by Koyanachi Ukarasya Vakaraha. Rasya Ikarasya Pare Pluta E भवति चेत् तत्र अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः इति सूत्रेण दीर्घादेशः अवश्यं भवति. Similarly, A plus A, which sutra is applicable? A plus A, Ruddirechi. By Ruddirechi, we have I. So that was about Pluta. Plutaha Achi Nityam Prakrutya. Now we shall consider Pragruhya part. If a Pragruhya is followed by any H letter, there will be Prakruti Bhava. We are going to study what Pragruhya is in next classes. For today, I am giving examples. Consider all of these as Pragruhya. Whatever the examples I am going to give from now onwards, consider them as Pragruhya. Dve, here Dve is a Pragruhya. There is a sutra Idu De Dvachanam Pragruhyam, by which if all Dirgha Ukaranta, Dirgha Ekaranta and the Ekaranta words which represents dvivachana, which are in dvivachana, they are called as pragruhya. This is ekaranta and it represents dvivachana in strilinga and napumsakalinga. So it is a pragruhya. So this pragruhya is followed by ach letter of api. So there will be prakruti bhava. Similarly, pachete, pachate, pachete. This is dvivachanam. Dvivachanam ekara. So it is a pragruhya. So it is followed by ach letter. There will be prakruti bhava. Janu plus u. Here, this u is a pragruhya. Again, I am telling we are going to study about pragruhya in the next classes. Consider this u as pragruhya, but here the pragruhya is not followed by ach letter. It is preceded by ach letter. So there will be application of akasavarne dirgha here. We have to keep in mind that the pragruhya should be followed by ach letter. So in this case, the current sutra is not applied. So we have akasavarne by akasavarne dirgha janu. Consider this case, Janu Vu Atra. Here Vu is a pragruhya. It is followed by ach letter. So there will be prakruti bhava between these two, and it is preceded by Janu. So there will be prakruti bhava between Vu and Atra. Consider the case of Janu plus Vu. Here akasa varna dirgha can be applied. Janu plus Atra. So the next question is whether there will be application of echo energy here, ik letter followed by ach letter, because it is not pragruhya now. This dirgha vu is not pragruhya. Whether that sutra is applicable is the question. But the answer is no. We studied this sutra antadi vacha, by which this vu dirgha vu, it acts as the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the second word. So the second word is vu. So whatever the properties of vu are there, this dirgha vu represents all of them. So since this vu is a pragruhya, this dirgha vu represents a pragruhya. So since it is pragruhya, kruta pragruhya achinityam, by this sutra, there will be prakruti bhava. There will not be application of echo energy there. Okay, this is about Pruta Pragruhya Achinityam. In the next class, we shall study about what is Pluta, or how, in what cases the Pluta letters are generated. And in the after that, we shall study what is Pragruhya, and we shall study this sutra again using some more examples. Dhanyavadaha.